With indirect grilling and roasting, the food is not directly exposed to the flames and heat, as a convector or drip pan is used to deflect the heat up and around the food, much like a convection oven in the kitchen does. Let's get started. Top off and light the Big Green Egg natural lump charcoal. The mix of 100% natural oak and hickory wood ensures the even fire and unmatched flavor. After a few minutes, add the convector, which provides a heat barrier between the charcoal and the food. The convection effect radiates surrounding heat from the charcoal and dome for even cooking. Next, add the cooking grid. Bring the egg up to the desired temperature. Roasting temperatures generally range from 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the food that you are cooking. Indirect grilling and roasting is best for large cuts of meat such as turkeys, chickens, roasts, and hams, which take longer to cook. In general, using this method to cook anything thicker than 2 inches or with a bone, such as bone-in chicken pieces. One exception would be bone-in steaks, such as a T-bone or porterhouse, which are best when seared and grilled directly over the fire. When roasting, the state-of-the-art Big Green Egg ceramics retain heat and moisture so well that foods don't dry out. Please note, never quickly open a hot egg all the way. Burping your egg allows air to slowly and safely enter the dome, preventing any flare-ups that could escape from the front towards you. Just raise the lid an inch or two and pause to burp it before raising the dome completely. You should get in the habit of burping your egg, especially if you've been cooking at temperatures above 300 degrees Fahrenheit, as it's always a good idea to let fresh air into the hot egg slowly when you open it.